now from here. Open, close. So we were doing this exercise yesterday, remember? We were doing those kind of techniques. Remember that? So this is where this drill comes in, where you can practice all the principles. Right? Or we did something like, I think we did this too. I went like this, but that. That type of technique, right? So, because it helps me to open up. It helps me to open up the body using those small motions. If I do something like this, I just get blocked out. But as soon as I use Tensho in the structure, I can open them up. I just need a little bit of space. Does that make sense?
Right.
That's important. And then the other thing is, like, when we do it, let's go back to here. I go back that way. If I pull and kick, see the way the head drops forward? So then there's no defense because suddenly your hands are like that. And you kick. So although Tensho doesn't use kicks, obviously we have the kicks too. Right? You just ever see that? Because I don't even think it's just this like sort of hairy, fairy drill. Right? You know, just want to do criteria. It's specific principles. And then, so this, like this movement up, so you can go down, up, down, right? So it's feelings like up, whatever. Does that make sense?
Right.
It's really important to understand that. Okay. And then, so we get to the last, we got to the last double. I'm moving both hands together. Obviously, really, I'm not moving both hands at the same time. The problem with moving both hands at the same time is that always happens. If I move one then the other, it's obviously more effective. So, for example, here, when I move both hands to try to hit, that happens. That happens. So when I do that, this hand, one of the hands is not going to go for the target. It's going to block the other hand off. For example, I go like that. Remember we were talking about that double contact? So it's like, then I can practice those type of movements. Does that make sense?
Right.
So anyway, so at the last one.